Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by heating the sticker to soften the adhesive. Aim the hairdryer for 6 inches away and move it steadily. Don't linger. Once the edges rise, use the plastic scraper at a low angle to lift a corner. If the sticker resists, reapply heat for 10-15 seconds and try again. Make sure to keep the dryer in motion so the shelf finish won't overheat, and always test a hidden spot first to confirm the material tolerates the temperature. Now peel the warmed sticker slowly and steadily. Pull back along the surface at a low angle. This reduces tearing and adhesive transfer. Once most material is off, apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol or a 1:1 mix of warm water and dish soap to remaining tacky bits. Let the liquid sit for 20-30 seconds to break the bond, then rub gently with a microfiber cloth in circular motions. If small pieces remain, redo heat, then scrape lightly and clean again. Finish by washing the area with warm soapy water. Rinse and dry thoroughly to remove any solvent residue. If the shelf finish looks dull, apply a small amount of a surface-safe polish or conditioner and buff with a clean cloth. This restores shine and protection. If adhesive persists, try a dab of cooking oil or a citrus-based solvent for a few minutes, then wipe and wash again. If the finish reacts poorly at any point, stop and test a milder method on an inconspicuous spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.